Ready to unlock a flood of 5-star reviews for your business, boosting your Google and Zillow rankings on autopilot. Let's dive into creating a closed drip email sequence, your secret weapon for consistent review generation. First, you'll need an email marketing platform like MailChimp, Klaviyo, or ActiveCampaign. Pick one you're comfortable with. Now, set up a new automation triggered by a specific action. For example, a closed sale or completed service in your CRM. This ensures the email sequence only goes to legitimate customers. The first email, sent immediately, is a simple thank you. Express your gratitude for their business and set a positive tone. Include your company logo and branding for familiarity. Next, on day 3, send your Google review request. Make it incredibly easy for them by including a direct link to your Google My Business review page. Keep the message concise and friendly. Finally, on day 7, follow up with a Zillow review request. Using a similar approach, a direct link and a brief, appreciative message are key. And that's it. By automating this process, you're consistently reminding satisfied customers to share their positive experiences, building a stellar online reputation that attracts even more business.